Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to our planner of the week, and they are Little Star Concepts. Love the name, love the sweets table, love it all. So appreciative of you guys giving us that shout out on Instagram, and I cannot say enough about how beautiful your table turned out. Loved, love, love it. All right, with that being said, let's move on to this week's Gold Rush project. So this week's project request comes from a community member, and her name is Derica. And Derica writes that she's having her wedding soon, and her colors are ivory and gold. She gave us this inspiration piece for her centerpiece and says she has her vases and her flowers already, but she's looking for the most cost-effective way to make the circular platform. Well, Derica, your need is our pleasure to give you the answer. It is so simple, so easy, and so cost effective. You're going to go, oh my gosh, really? Really, MissPlanIt? Really, Derica? So we're going to go ahead. We didn't just make the platform. We created the entire centerpiece from Dollar Tree inspired products. So let's get started with this week's project. Dollar Tree inspired tall Gold Rush wedding centerpiece. All right, guys. Let's go. So our first step is to create our trio of vases. I'm using two 9-inch vases, one 7¼ inch vase, and one 4-inch vase to create our trio. All of them came from the Dollar Tree. So first thing we're going to do is use our E6000, our extra strength E6000, and we're going to add a 9-inch vase on top of the bottom of the 4-inch vase. 9 plus 4 is 13. So you have a 13-inch vase, a 9-inch vase, and a 7½ inch vase. There you go, all for $4. Next, I'm going to show you how to glitter without getting glittered. We're going to simply use our tool, our glitter tool, and we're going to wrap our vases. It's very simple. Now, if you just desire to get your Mod Podge and your glitter out, by all means, knock yourself out. But if, say you're a wedding planner and you want to reuse these vases, but add a touch of gold, this is a simple way to do it. So you just measure your tool, cut it out. This tool is 6 inches. By all means, if you'd like to get a 12-inch piece of tool, that works perfect. You can cut it down to fit your vases. I typically do 6-inch and center the tool on the vase. Next, we're going to take these self-adhesive dots. They sell them in the scrapbook section, but remember, here at MissPlanIt, we give you all the links to all of the supplies right down there in the description, okay? So don't forget, don't worry. All the links to all the supplies for all our projects are in the links below them. So I simply added 6 clear adhesive dots, and then I can attach my tool without glue. Love them. Love the dots. Love them. Now that our vases are done, let's move on to our tea light rose bouquets. So I took 2 tea lights, I bought them, but I purchased 2 tea lights from the Dollar Tree, as well as 2 4x8 foam discs. I'm simply gonna turn my tea light over, press it down to create the perfect fit of foam for the base of my bouquet. It's very simple. Once you have your indentation, just push it through, take off the little edges, and you have the perfect size foam to fit the inside of your tea light. This is going to be one of the simplest bouquets we've ever done. We're going to use 4 miniature hydrangea heads. And I'm just putting one on each side, front, back, left, right. Real simple. And then we're going to use tea roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to just insert them just where you like. There's no way for you to mess this up. And guess what? If you insert them and you don't like it, you can take it out and place them somewhere else. Remember, you can do this. Have confidence. It's really easy if you just let yourself breathe. Everybody breathe. All right, we're going to add at least 4 of our tea roses, and that will complete our bouquets. And you're simply going to repeat those steps for your additional tea light. Now for our base. These are 12 inches by 1 inch foam disc. So and it really depends on how tall you want your base. I'm doing mine 2 inches tall. But if you wanted 3 inches, then stack 3 of them on. It works just the same. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our gold paper and we're going to trace our 12-inch disc right on top, and that is going to be the top of our stand. So to make sure our foam discs stay in place, we're going to take some extra long toothpicks from the Dollar Tree and we're going to place about 6 of them spaced out pretty evenly. Don't worry about the end sticking out. I'm going to show you how to take care of that. So you're just going to insert it, making sure that it goes through both the top and the bottom disc. It works the same for a 3-inch disc. You'll just have less of the toothpick to cut off. Now that you have all of your toothpicks in place, you're simply going to trim off the top with your wire cutters. Make sure that you hold the other end. You don't want the toothpick to go flying off. And by all means, put on your safety goggles. Our final step for our stand is to attach our gold paper. So I've cut another 12 by 12 piece of gold paper in 2-inch strips. Now for this video, I'm using hot glue just for speed's sake, but I repeat, do not use hot glue because it can kind of warp the disc sometimes. What you need to do is use regular Elmer's craft glue. That's a tongue twister. Regular Elmer's craft glue. And you need to spread it evenly and thoroughly on the back side of your gold paper. And then you simply lay it on, hold it for about 10-20 seconds just to make sure it adheres to your foam, and then go ahead and attach the next one, lining up the seams. Once you have the outer rim done, then all you have left is the top. Again, use regular craft glue and spread it liberally and evenly, and then place the top on top. Well, Dorica, and I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong in the beginning. It is Dorica. My crew just corrected me. I hope you love the centerpiece. Not only is it simple, not only is it elegant, but it's so cost effective. This was less than $35. Less than $35. I'm so excited. I hope it meets your vision for your wedding, and I would love to see pictures of the finished product, so be sure to post them on our social media. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Don't forget, if you want a little message from me, click on that little notification button and you will get a special message that lets you know the moment the video is posted. Also, don't forget to send us a comment, ask us a question. That is what we are here for. And you can always follow us on our social media. That is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. We love to see your projects on our social media. We love to see your comments and your encouragement. It helps us beyond, just don't know. Don't forget, those of you who haven't done it already, sign up for Ebates. It's free, Free, doesn't cost you anything. Sign up for Ebates. It's a special program that gives you pays you money for purchasing through their site. So you sign up, you get your account, then when you go to shop, log onto your Ebates account, find the same vendors you would have used if you weren't on Ebates, and then shop till you drop and get a check at the end of the month. It's that easy. Links in the description. And don't forget that our new Shopify store is open for business. We are so excited to share our products with you. We have worked very hard and we are so excited to bring these products to you through our digital store. These are digital downloads, so there is no shipping and handling and international fees. They're all there for you. So our first is our DIY project planning binder, and then we have our DIY bride wedding planner binder, and finally we have our maid of honor binder. We also have opened up a new spot to our store, which is our dollar deal, our dollar deal spot, and right now we have our paper flower template and instructional video for $1, as well as some other products for $1. So check out the store. Either click on the link right there in the corner, or you can just go down to the description and click on the store link there. Either way, check us out. I want to thank all of you who have already written such wonderful, amazing reviews. And please, but we mean it when we say, tell us what else you need. We're here for you. We want to make sure that you have everything necessary to do it DIY right. Well, guys, I am so appreciative for you spending this time with us. Don't forget the links to all the products for this project are in the description right below this video. Click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you look at it, and all of the links are there at your fingertips. Don't forget to check out our website, MissPlanIt.com, for awesome blog posts and so much more information, way more than I have time to give you on our weekly YouTube video tutorials. So, until next week, take care. See you soon. God bless.